5 homemade exercises to have incredible buttocks in weeks. For women, it is imperative to be in shape. The vast majority look for different alternatives to have a body with which they are happy. That is why, apart from the numerous diets they try throughout their lives, they also seek to do exercises that will make their bodies more hard. But in this note, we are going to concentrate on his beautiful butt, the body part that draws the most attention in girls. We know that squats are the most effective exercise to grow the rear, but now we will talk about 5 styles of squats to vary a little exercise program and work all areas of that part of your body. Squats of pistol. This exercise consists of lifting one foot forward, putting the hands in front and slowly lowering with the support foot. This should be repeated in sets of 10 with each leg, which at first will be complicated, but with practice will dominate in a short time. With this exercise you work the entire support leg, from the calves to the rear. Plie squats. These sit-ups are very common in ballet practices, consisting of opening the legs with the tips of the feet pointing outward and doing push-ups down repetitively. With 4 sets of 12 will suffice. These squats strengthen the thighs and the entire rear. Squats of chalice. These are the most complicated, since you must take a weight that you can load. Make a squat but try to get with the butt as close to the ground as you can. Also, with 4 sets of 12 will be enough. Repeat 3 times a week. This exercise works all the rear. Bulgarian split. Put the instep of a foot on the surface of a chair or an edge. Keep it there and with your hands on the waist down to the floor with the foot support. With this exercise you work the back of the thigh. Combined jump with squat. This exercise consists of doing a squat and then lifting with a jump, much like the burpees. This exercise, aside from strengthening the entire rear, serves a lot to lower calories thanks to the jumps. It's great for cardiovascular exercise. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.